GT Holidays, South India's #1 travel brand.
A part of interview was picked and was told, so I got a little emotional. In my moment of weakness, they were there for me and they told me that, just hold on for a little bit, think about it, and whenever you get out, you talk to Cover.
Now he maintains he doesn't want to get married anytime soon.
Cover did not propose to me ki bhai, okay, let's get married now. He proposed to me in a way that, okay, in life, you are the one, I want to get married.
But there are so many comments that have said that Alice, you deserve better.
I don't think उसने कहीं भी ये कहा है या कहीं भी वो अपनी बात से पीछे गया that, Alice is not my girlfriend or Alice is someone that I don't want to get married to. Fight with Rajat was not about inappropriate touch. The fight with Rajat was about अभी रजत जैसा इंसान अगर वो इतना भी करेगा तो मुझे बहुत जोर से लगने वाली है. The fight with Rajat was not at all about inappropriate touch. There was no romantic angle. In fact, he used to call me Chota Bro. I used to call him Bada Bro. So there was no romantic anything at all. I told her, see, Sara, anger is okay, aggression is okay. But where you went was, it came out a little creepy. And honestly, three of us, I don't know about Avinash, but Isha and I were honestly very scared. एक बहुत sly comment भी किया था उन्होंने पति पत्नी और वो करके. And I'm like, yeah. What are you talking about? What is pati patni or what?
Well, if there's someone who showed what true friendship really is inside the Bigg Boss 18 house, it has to be Alice. And while her game was appreciated by many, there are a few allegations that some people have put, and we'll be chatting about all of that. Welcome to Galata India, Alice. How have you been?
I have been good. Thank you so much.
You're most welcome. Alice, last week when the wildcards were they were entering, we did an interview with them. And I spoke to Eden, I spoke to Aditi, and both of them had this complaint from you that you're not doing much in the house. How do you react?
Okay, so thank you for asking me that question. Eden, when she came inside, she did say that I had a problem with, I didn't really, correcting myself. I didn't like Alice and Avinash much. Her opinion about Avinash hasn't changed, although her opinion about me has changed. And she said that I didn't really like you when I entered, but now that I've seen you in last 2 days, I'm beginning to get really fond of you. I really like you. You are you're not the way you're being portrayed or how you're looking outside. You're actually a nice person. So I think that says a lot.
Do you have an issue with how you are being portrayed outside? And did you come out and
I haven't seen.
But any of your friends, anyone said anything about how the portrayal is coming?
My friends did just say that they're not really showing you a lot, whereas on live you're there, you're everywhere. On live you're there a lot, but they're not really showing you. So I don't know. Ask the makers.
As I mentioned in my intro, that there was friendship. Very pure friendship that we saw, which is not very frequent inside Bigg Boss, because वो friendship start भी होती है तो वो कहीं ना कहीं आके झगड़े हो जाते हैं. You had a pretty tight gang, but a lot of your fans had this issue outside where they used to tweet and on Instagram comment that Alice is somewhere getting overshadowed by Avinash, Isha. Maybe it wasn't intentional from their end, but that is how it was coming across. Do you regret that bit?
I do not regret anything. I think I'm a good friend, and to me they were good friends too. So no, I do not regret anything as such.
Did you see a clip where
And also again, I'm sorry to cut you, but also again, I am being shown in bits and pieces here and there. So they also, I don't think, have seen the entire thing, how I was and what it was 24/7. So yeah, no.
But that's the thing about Bigg Boss. People will judge you on that 1
how
hour
much ever they get to see.
That is sad, but life kitna hi kaun hi
exactly.
itna
Life
dikhta
also
hoga.
is like the camera is at one group on one group or whatever. Like it's not there. Pura 5-5 6 lives chal rahe hain. It's not like that. So.
Do you feel after the entire cover episode that happened, that weekend cover, you were pretty broken that day? But I think later on you were fine.
I wasn't broken. I was just emotional.
Yeah.
I think I'm a human being too, so I'm allowed to get a little emotional. a part of interview was picked and was told. So I got a little emotional, but I'm again very glad that I had my friends, and then in my moment of weakness they were there for me and they told me that, you know, just hold on for a little bit, think about it, and whenever you get out you talk to Cover. But मुझे उसकी भी ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ी because I have that faith in my relationship and we are strong, and I think within an hour or so I was completely fine because I knew that if Cover had said something, I'm sure there's a reason behind it. So I was just waiting to see the entire thing.
But you know, I watched that entire interview. In fact, I watched 5 more interviews
Okay.
after that. But Cover maintained what he said. He maintained that yes, I did say that because maybe Alice got a little overexcited and उसके मुंह से वो वैसे slip हो गया that proposal thing. How do
He
you
has-
defend that?
No, okay. Let me clarify this for you. Cover did not propose to me कि भाई okay, let's get married now. He proposed to me in a way that, you know, okay, in life you are the one I want to get married to. It was like that. It wasn't कि oh Big Boss से बाहर आके let's get married. Oh let's get married now. It wasn't like that. It was in life I want to get married to you. It was like that.
So you guys have that clarity because even now he maintains he doesn't want to get married anytime soon.
No, even I don't want to get married anytime
soon. So that
Yeah, we have
clarity
that
is there.
Yes, of course.
Another thing, every interview that he's given, a lot of people have supported him. A lot of people have supported you. But there are so many comments that have said that Alice, you deserve better. How do you react to that? Because in the end, you're in love. He's in love.
I think his
People
interviews
are-
and his words are misconstructed because he has a way of talking. तो वो कभी-कभी people just misunderstand him. He does कभी-कभी ऐसा होता है he says something and he doesn't really mean it. फिर बाद में उसको पता चलता है अरे ये तो इस वे में ले लिया गया. So I think that is what has happened because I don't think उसने कहीं भी ये कहा है या कहीं भी वो अपनी बात से पीछे गया that, you know, Alice is not my girlfriend or Alice is someone that I don't want to get married to. So I think there's a lot of confusion.
After coming out, you met him. I heard. I was sitting here when you were giving other interviews. What was the conversation like? Was this clarified or ज़रूरत ही नहीं पड़ी इस सब की?
ज़रूरत ही नहीं पड़ी to be honest because I was just so happy to see him and he was just so happy to see me and we just wanted to like be together and not to talk about anything else for a while, and plus we didn't really get that much of time because he's also busy with his work. So
You know, your fight that happened with Rajat, वो जो hammer वाला task हुआ था जिसमें वो women card का एक blame गया. I would really want you to clarify one thing because as a woman myself, when these things are said on national television that, you know, हम ऐसा बोल देंगे, हम ना ये women card play करेंगे. I agree you did not play it.
I did not
But
play it.
saying that, it came across in a very wrong way. I don't know what the
Women card
conversation
play
was
करेंगे, did I say
before
that?
and after. You said that हम लोग ये
I
करेंगे.
said that यहाँ टच हम बोल सकते हैं कि हम बोल सकते हैं कि यहाँ मत टच करो, वहाँ मत टच करो, ये मत करो, वो मत करो. But I don't know if second part is shown or not. Very quickly I went to the girls and I said, listen girls, we cannot do this because
It wasn't shown.
Okay, so let me tell you what happened. Very quickly I went back to them and I said, listen girls, we cannot do this, okay, because we are also attacking. We are also defending. So हम भी जब इधर उधर टच कर रहे हैं, ये कर रहे हैं, वो कर रहे हैं, we cannot say that we do not have any right to say that. अगर हम कुछ नहीं कर रहे होते और हम बोलते हैं कि हाँ चलो okay, don't touch there, don't touch here, so ठीक है, maybe we can say. But अगर हम भी same चीज कर रहे हैं तो we have no right to say that. So I don't know why that is not being shown.
No,
because I clarified it to Rohit sir also जब वो आए थे.
Yeah, but this part when in the episode it wasn't shown.
Okay,
with
then-
Rohit sir it was
हाँ.
maybe it was shown, but the thing is, you know, because after that even Rajat's sister-in-law, she came out, she has given a video where she is slamming
the
you.
fight with Rajat was not about inappropriate touch. The fight with Rajat was about अभी रजत जैसा इंसान अगर वो इतना भी करेगा तो मुझे बहुत जोर से लगने वाली है. The fight with Rajat was not at all about inappropriate touch, which I clarified.
But it came across like that.
No, I'll tell you. So, okay, I don't know why they haven't shown, but I told him then also कि I am not in the bathroom area after that whole incident. He said बहुत जोर से लगा क्या, because it was about how hard it hit me. So I told him आपको भी पता है आपने क्या किया, and by that I meant how hard it hit me. So he asked me बहुत जोर से लगा क्या. I said yes, and I let me clarify this कि I know your intention was not inappropriate or your intention was not to hit me hard, but yes मुझे वो बहुत जोर से लगा. So he apologized for that. And next day also I heard him talk to some people. I was just passing by, I heard him talk to some people about, you know, mera ye laga, ye nahi laga, ye laga, and this and that. So I stopped because मुझे नहीं चाहिए था कि किसी कुछ कोई भी गलत समझ ले. I told him then and there also कि listen, I told you yesterday also that I know your intention was not inappropriate, and right now in front of everybody else I want to clarify this again that I know your intention is not inappropriate or was not inappropriate. Your intention was all, you had no such intention. It's just that your this just hit me hard, so it was just that, nothing else. I don't know why
I'm
none
glad
of
you
this.
clarified.
Yeah,
now, because
I'm
it's
surprised.
shown in a different light altogether.
I'm
and there have
surprised why
been
all of this
debates.
was not shown.
Yeah, there have been debates outside about, you know, the women card and women not taking care of these things. So that's why I wanted you
No,
to
I'm
clarify.
really surprised this is not. No wonder Rohit sir came and asked
Of
me.
course,
No wonder because
that's
this is
how,
not being shown.
that's how it's been shown, and even
Then I
Cover has
think
said
again we need to ask the makers.
definitely, because what's not shown we can't question
Of
on
course,
that at all.
I understand the question.
Yeah, but you know, a lot of times I feel you also have been misunderstood. There was a video of yours, again taking one
Ask
part,
me.
where Avinash was consoling you. You know, you just mentioned you have been going through anxiety issues, and when a certain person has come and he's consoling you, and Avinash and you share a good bond, it was taken out of proportion, and people started commenting on your bond with him, putting a romantic angle to it.
There was no romantic angle. In fact, he used to call me Chota Bro. I used to call him Bada Bro. So there was no romantic anything at all. Like the way Avinash was with me in that video, more than him, Isha has been there with me. So, you know, I used to get anxiety attacks a lot of times. Okay? And they both have been there for me. And in fact, Vivian has also been there for me. So, I don't know why, again, I don't know why only one video has been like shown in a
Yeah.
certain light. It is very wrong. Avinash was just being a great friend that he is, because they've seen me go through things. So,
You've spent so much time with Avinash and Isha. People are going on rooting them as a couple also. What do you feel? You are close friends with them. Do you see any love angle between them?
I don't see any love angle. I just see great friendship. That's all.
Okay. You know, Sarah and you also used to have a
Yes.
bond. And whatever happened, that entire episode of her going
The
so
baby boy, yeah.
it was very aggressive. It came as an audience. I was
Correct.
like, what is happening and why are the makers not stopping her?
So aggression, I feel in that game is okay, fine. Everybody shows anger, aggression, but she went a level up, and it felt very creepy. And I also told her after that entire episode when it was her birthday, I went to her and I said ki after wishing her, obviously, I just wished her and she started crying, and I told her, see Sarah, anger is okay, aggression is okay, but where you went was, you know, it came out a little creepy. And honestly, three of us, I don't know about Avinash, but Isha and I were honestly very scared, because it went, I don't know kitna dikhaya kitna nahi, it went on for hours and hours and hours and hours. And in fact she also एक बहुत स्लाइट कमेंट भी किया था उन्होंने, पति पत्नी और वो करके, and I'm like,
Yeah.
what are you talking
I
about?
saw
What
that.
is pati patni or what? Ab, whatever problems I may or may not have with you, I will not stoop so low. I won't ever stoop so low and make such comments. जैसे उनको बाद में बग्गा जी के साथ काफी छेड़ा भी जा रहा था, but I never stooped so low. I never did anything about it, and she did that. So it really upset me. It was disheartening.
Yeah. You know, lastly, there's a lot of similarities that we see between Vivian and Siddharth, and he has sometimes come up to you and spoken about Siddharth Shukla. Do you see that? Because if you have watched this season, I don't know.
Haven't.
Okay. So it was a similar way, you know, where everyone was liking his personality, but some people were also saying that Bigg Boss is favoring him, which is exactly what is happening with Vivian today.
Can you repeat that? Favoring
the contestant. Like now, a lot of people feel that Bigg Boss is favoring
Oh,
Vivian.
okay. So I don't know if Bigg Boss is favoring Vivian or not. To me, it doesn't look like he's favoring Vivian. But I think he should favor Vivian, because Vivian is love. Vivian, I have so much respect for that man. He is, to me, he behaved like an elder brother. He was very protective, and you know, he would always guide me if about any issue. He always told me कि Alice, कोई भी problem हो, कितनी भी छोटी हो, कितनी भी बड़ी हो, just come to me whenever. Like I would ask him for like today. I would tell him, okay, today you give me 20 minutes from your day, and he would give me 3 hours. So it was like that with him, and he was very, very nice and protective and kind, and he's also playing his game really, really well.
Yeah.
So he's doing everything. So I think Big Boss should favor him if he's not favoring
Do
him.
you see any similarity between him and Siddharth?
I have actually not seen his season, and I've just seen his work,
Yeah.
Siddharth Shukla's work, and he was a fabulous actor. But other than that, I've not seen interviews or Big Boss or anything. But yes, Vivian did speak very fondly.
Yeah. On that note, thank you so much, Alice, for joining in. We hope to see you doing great work now that you're out of Big Boss.
Thank you, and thank you for asking me good questions.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
GT Holidays, South India's #1 travel brand.